Hi everyone, welcome to episode 2 of the Sdk.Fz 222 build. In this episode, I will be priming, painting the base colour and painting the gun assembly. So sit back and enjoy. So to prime the model, I'm going to use Mission Models Primer. For this, I use 20 drops of primer and 2 drops of thinner. The model was sprayed at around 15 to 20 psi. I sprayed the model using Tamiya's XF63 German Grey with a few drops of white. I did this to act as a base coat for the chipping fluid. I then applied 2 layers of heavy chipping fluid by ammo. After applying this layer of paint, I had a go at creating the chipping effect, but I didn't get the desired effect I wanted. I ended up applying another layer of Tamiya's XF63. The tyres were painted using XF85 by Tamiya. I bought this tool by Helix to paint the wheel rims. You can buy these on eBay for about £2.99. It's time to paint the seat. For this I used 2 drops of khaki, 2 drops of AK's drying retarder, and 1 drop of water. For the base coat for the gun assembly, I use Mission Models German World War II interior white. To paint the 2cm cannon and the MG34, I used gunmetal by ammo. I gave the model 2 coats of Tester's dull coat. This will protect the model during the weathering stages. That's it for this episode. In the next episode I will be adding the decals, or the decals, depending what you want to call them. I'll be painting all the other little details underneath the vehicle, and whatever else I can cram in. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you all again in the next episode. Ta-ta for now.